Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. Exercises to lose belly fat in 1 week. An excellent exercise to lose belly fat fast is to run because it burns a greater amount of calories in a short period of time. In just 25 minutes of running you can burn 300 calories, for example. If you are beginning physical activity, start slowly and gradually, increasing the intensity and duration of your workouts. There are other exercises you can do to complete your daily workout so that you can lose belly fat in 1 week. They are: other exercises to complete the daily training to lose belly in 1 week are the ABS, which in addition to strengthening your core, decreases the amount of fat accumulated in the region, helping you to lose belly. Abdominal 1, Abdominal 1, Abdominal 2, Abdominal 2. Best exercises to lose belly fat. The best exercises to burn localized fat are those that burn a lot of calories in 1 hour of activity, such as the following aerobics. Type of exercise: calories running 700, aerobics class 260, cycling 279, rope jumping 400, fast walk 315, swimming 368. Diet and exercises to lose belly fat in 1 week. Diet for losing belly fat in 1 week. The trick of this diet is to provide the maximum nutrients with minimal calories, fats and sugars. In this diet it is recommended you do 6 meals a day, eating every 3 hours, drink at least 2 liters of water or green tea a day, eat a different salad every day and a piece of meat, fish or chicken that fits in the palm of your hand, eat 2 pieces of fruits a day, every day, preferably with less sugar, take 2 yogurts with live lactobacilli a day, such as Yakult, because it will facilitate intestinal transit by decreasing abdominal swelling, eat less salt, choosing herbs and seasoning salads with lemon, for example, take 1 cup of boldo tea a half hour before lunch and dinner because it fights flatulency and so diminishes belly swelling. Weight loss programs that have lasting effects are those that include regular physical activity and dietary re-education, but within a week it is possible to achieve visible results. But to complement this rapid treatment you can also resort to aesthetic treatments such as lipocavitation, radiofrequency and lymphatic drainage to eliminate excess fluid, fat and give firmness to the skin. I hope you enjoy this video, and subscribe to our channel to watch more such videos. Thanks.